chapter 2, number 6, you're going to solve each proportion. Leave your answer in simplest fraction if necessary. Notice all these proportions you can cross multiply, or what you all know as the butterfly method. So 3 times A, is your first butterfly wing, equals to the second butterfly wing, which is going to be 8 times 15. 3 times A, which is just 3A. Then we have 8 times 15, which is 120. Divide by 3 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with A is equal to 120 divided by 3, which is 40. So A is equal to 40. Next, we have x minus 3 divided by times 10 here. This is the first wing, so it's 10 parentheses x minus 3 equals to the other wing of the butterfly, 6 times 5. Okay. Let's distribute this in. 10 times x is 10x. 10 times negative 3 is negative 30, equals to 30 here. We're going to add 30 to both sides because we're trying to get the variable alone. Okay, this cancels, leaving you with just 10x is equal to 60. Then we want to divide 10 to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with just an x is equal to 6. That would be the final answer here. All right, C, same thing. Let's do the butterfly method. We have the first wing as 20 times x minus 5. So we write 20 parentheses x minus 5 as the first wing equals to the second wing, which is 4 times x. 20 times x, which is 20x. That's what I did here. Then we have 20 times negative 5. This gets you a negative 100 equals to just 4x. Right, so what can we do here? You know what? We can subtract 20x here. Okay, this cancels, leaving you with just a negative 10 equals to negative 16x. I hate working with negatives, but we have it in this case. Then divide by negative 16 to both sides, right? Now this cancels, the 16 divided by negative 16 cancels, just leaving you with just an x. Negative 100 divided by negative 16, that gets you 25 over 4, which is the final answer. You just have to be very careful with how you're simplifying the fraction on that one. So there you go. All these problems require you to cross multiply or butterfly method, and then isolate the variable alone.